Good morning, it's Chili Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, getting ready to do a pour for you that I had in mind. I'm doing a voiceover on this one because it was so noisy at my place that day. The dogs was barking at kangaroos, my husband was mowing the lawns, so it just got so hectic I thought I can't concentrate to speak over this, so hence here we go. So I had this in mind. That is actually I think it had a lot of blue in that black, let's say, so it's a very blue black, and it's just my normal acrylic paint mixed with my normal pouring medium, which is as described in the drop down box underneath this video. You will find that, along with links to beginners videos or links to the videos that show you the mixing of my paints, but there is an explanation there, so it is all there, and suppliers and whatnot. So there you go, it's a very sort of black blue on one half, and I'm going to put just my normal acrylic white on the other side, and just taking it nice and easy and coating both sides. So I am just layering down some colours that I've been working with all week. So the first one was I can't think of the name of it now. Oh my goodness, it's gone out of my head. But the custom colour above it was one that I'd made myself out of gold with a dab of blue. And this is my nice orange that I just add a good squirt of yellow in to brighten it all up. And I am going to add just some more white in there. And to go on the top, I am adding my Berry Delicious colour in that bottle that is just made up with Floetrol. So I'm going to see if we get some nice lacing out of this. I'm going to blow it out. I'm going to blow my circles out and see if I get some lovely lace. Wow, wow, wow. I am so happy with this. It is absolutely gorgeous. I will be bringing the camera down to give you a little squizzy, a look at what's going on down there. The lacing was phenomenal in this, really lovely. The colours were really super, like they just went lovely together. Look, Julie's happy, it's a thumbs up. So I'm just whizzing over it now with the heat wand. It just bursts any little air bubbles that's in there, and it helps the cells pop up as well. So I just find the heat wand so much better and less dangerous to use than a butane torch. So, but you still have to be careful with it, that's for sure. So it's just tidying up my edges, look, just with my hands, so that's acceptable. It's your art room, your rules, your way is to have fun, kick back, relax, and listen to some music and enjoy. I'm bringing you down. The first bit wasn't talking because there was too much noise going on. Husband's on the mower, the dog's barking. So I just decided to not talk and get on with it. And it's turned out absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So happy with it. Look at this. I'm sorry about the reflection, but oh, what have I done? It is got gorgeous cells for a blowout from literally 3 blobs. And the Berry Delicious that I put on last was my Berry Delicious custom colours, just mixed with Floetrol only. So obviously this is what's giving this gorgeous lacing, but I'm very happy with that. So it was the navy and white, but it has given some absolutely stunning results. Look at this. Colours are lovely, really lovely. Well, another one bites the dust. Okay, you guys, please take care. If you're feeling sad or lonely, you just need someone to talk to, please lift up the phone and phone a friend or family member, or get on to a helpline. Don't suffer in silence. You don't have to. So anyway, or find something creative, whether it's walking and gardening, exercise, gym, or art. Art is best therapy, I find. So I'm loving this, and I hope you do too. Until tomorrow, bye for now.